Hello everyone, it's Lurgs here. Welcome to my channel, and today, how to change the battery in your BMW Key Fob. Right, let's get cracking. What you're going to need today is a battery, a CR2450, and you're going to need a flat bladed screwdriver just to pop the battery out. So this is the BMW Key Fob here, and if we turn it over, you've got this small button on the back here. What you need to do is if you just push that in, it's quite hard with my sausage fingers, but if you just push that in and then you pull the bladed key out, that's the first step. So just pull that out. That is basically your emergency key in case the battery goes in the key fob. Okay, so what we need to do is we need to pop the back off. Now you can use the bladed key for this. So what you're doing is you're putting it into that slot there, and then you're pushing it in towards the key, and there's a small clip, and if you push it hard enough, get a good strong grip, you can see that the back there is popping up. Once it's popped up a little bit, you can just get your finger underneath it and just lift it up. And there we go, and there is the battery. Now I found it really difficult to get the bladed key into that battery to pop it out. It just wasn't thin enough. So just use your flat bladed screwdriver and just gently pop it out. Obviously be very gentle because there is electronics in there. Make sure it doesn't pop out and disappear under the driver's seat. Take your brand new battery, make sure you get good quality battery that is in date. And then just slot it in face down, so positive side facing you. It goes in really easy, just make sure it's in there properly. Then put the cover back on. Basically just squeeze it with your fingers. Put the bladed key back in. There is a link above now about how to check your car fuses without having to pull them out using a multimeter. And there we go. I tell you what, that's made me quite thirsty actually. If you're going to be working on the motor, make sure you've got a lovely cup of tea. Oh, if you found that video useful, please subscribe by pressing this button down here. I really do appreciate you visiting my channel, guys and girls. If you'd like to select any other videos around here, that would be really cool. And be sure to hit that bell notification tab.